me. I sat down in the parlor. I was watching television. Mommy now came. She now did like this. Take this 20 naira, OJ. Go and call your father. Find out what he wants to eat for dinner, because I don't have credit on my phone. So I collected the money. I went to business center. I started calling my daddy's number. The phone was ringing. Daddy did not pick it. It's one auntie that pick it. So I now cut the phone. I call it again. The auntie pick it again. I cut the phone. And I went to myself, Mommy, Daddy is not picking the phone, no. It's one auntie that is picking it. Mommy started crying. Yeah, I am you. This man is cheating on me. After all the investment of affairs, he's cheating on me. I did not say anything. I sat down. Shebi to Tony Muso. When my daddy now came back, my mommy and my daddy started fighting each other. One woman in our house, Iya Philomena, Amebo, I don't like her. Iya Philomena now came. What happened? Stop fighting. Who God have joined together? Let no asunder. I was looking. They now asked them that, what is the matter? What caused the problem? My mommy now say it's me that went to call my daddy, that a woman now pick it up. And my daddy was now saying, my phone has been with me since morning. Nobody is taking my phone. Nobody took the phones. Nobody. I was looking. My daddy now even say it again, that the phone has been switched off since morning. Yes. That is how Iya Philomena now called me. Now put me in the middle. Hey, what did the woman tell you? Daleru. And also, the woman said that the number you are trying to call is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Is it my fault? It's not my fault now. Is it my fault?
Thank you very much. My name remains Helen Paul.